Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.